Be back on your screens
We're back
in your
and
space.
we're gonna be reacting to the GOAT! The
Bible.
GOAT! No, he's not the GOAT, but
Oliver Anthony.
he's talented. He's talented as hell. Oliver Anthony,
90-some Chevy.
90-some Chevy.
Okay.
He actually turned down they say, I don't know, it's somewhere in the millions. I think it's $9 million.
A deal.
A deal. It's crazy. Like, funny.
Well, it's a loan, so fuck it.
That old darling of mine is like a 90-some Chevy. She rides just right when you turn her on. The only thing sounds better than that old 350.
Like my girl.
Okay, did you hear? You are to be used efficiently.
Wait, that's not the bar. That's not the
That
line.
is the bar. Turn it on right, it rides good.
Yeah,
Use
but-
efficiently.
I don't know about you. Say, hey, don't hold me. Dog, don't start any problems within my relationship.
Hey man.
Stop being
good,
a dick.
I mean, it's not your first. They all end up on the same place, don't they?
Like a 90-some Chevy, she rides just right when you turn her on. The only thing sounds better than that old 350s when she's running up to kiss me. When I get home, it's been a hard day. I'll tell you, darling, it's been a long week. Might have to load up the dogs, go and listen to the frogs croaking down in the creek. We can take her nice and slow, a case of beer and a Zemco. Let the sun sink good and low. There ain't no telling where we'll go in the back of that 90-some Chevy. In the back of that 90-some Chevy.
Product placement.
She's hotter than hell, I'm higher than gas. She's sweeter than honey, I'm poor white trash. She ain't had.
Hey, he's carrying.
As you should.
He lives in the south, so I'm sure he does.
Either way, as a man, you shouldn't be just walking. Just walking. Oh.
Here they give you 3 years. No, actually, they give you 5.
Sweeter than honey, I'm poor white trash. She ain't had a check that I couldn't cash. I guess if she's my Carter, then I'm her cash. And I've been sitting around drinking on it. I guess I'm gonna have to get me a ring and get it on it. 'Cause that old darling of mine is like a 90-some Chevy. She rides just right when you turn her on. The only thing sounds better than that old 350s when she's running up to kiss me. When I get home, it's been a hard day. I tell you, darling, it's been a long week. Might have to load up the dogs, go and listen to the frogs croaking down in the creek. We can take her nice and slow, a case of beer and a Zemco. Let the sun sink good and low. There ain't no telling where we'll go in the back of that 90-some Chevy. In the back of that 90-some Chevy. That old darling of mine's like a 90-some Chevy. She rides just right when you turn her on.
Okay. It
what I
really
like
has the
about-
passion.
Yeah, it does. That's what I like
Yeah,
about
passion.
what's this? What's the genre again?
Isn't it what country music?
Country music, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I like about country music. It's the storytelling. It's the storytelling, and one of the best storytellers to me in this genre. It's not even Dolly Parton. It's Don Williams. Don Williams. Oh, this nigga. This nigga has like amazing songs. Like one of my favorites. What was that song again? Damn it. But he's talking about making it to Hollywood, and he's talking about making it to Hollywood, and yeah, basically, I actually need to listen to Don Williams again. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and suggest more music for us to react to.
And don't forget to watch all the other videos that we have. Content coming out all the time.
Oh yeah, the song goes, I left Oklahoma, driving a Pontiac. What is it again? Didn't think I looked this fine. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. I was on to California. Wait, what is it again?
Man, he's
They were
horrible.
gonna put me
Anyway,
in
like,
the movies.
subscribe, suggest other videos, and we'll see you on the next
Put
one.
me in the movies.
And boo him in the comments for short-term memory.
I